Great job, Katie, look at you go. Katie's journey began when she was adopted in January of 2019 through the Farm Rescue in Arizona, a place dedicated to giving animals with special needs a real chance at life. Before arriving there, Katie and her brother Billy had been born in the care of a breeder who quickly noticed that something was different about them. Unlike the other puppies in the litter, the two siblings struggled with coordination and movement, and it became clear that they faced challenges no ordinary home was prepared for. Not wanting to resort to euthanasia, the breeder reached out for help. She contacted the rescue organization in Arizona, hoping they could offer Katie and Billy the life she knew they deserved. The rescue stepped in immediately, determined to give both puppies a future filled with compassion rather than uncertainty. When Katie's adoptive family met her for the first time, they felt an instant pull toward her gentle spirit and knew she belonged with them. They brought her home to start a completely new chapter, one that just happened to unfold by the beach. Katie lives with cerebellar hypoplasia, a neurological condition that affects the development of the cerebellum, the part of the brain responsible for coordination and balance. Because of this, her movements are wobbly, unsteady, and sometimes unpredictable. But none of these challenges dim her enthusiasm for life. With each step she takes, she shows determination, resilience, and a spark of joy that inspires everyone around her. Even though walking on her own can be difficult, Katie still enjoys adventures thanks to her wagon, where she can take in the sights, smells, and breezes of the world around her. She loves playing with her toys, exploring her home, and spending time with her many furry friends, all of whom accept her exactly as she is. Her personality shines through every day, a little sassy, endlessly loving, and surprisingly clever. Katie's family often says they couldn't imagine life without her. She brings warmth, humor, and a unique kind of happiness into their home, reminding them daily that a full, joyful life isn't defined by limitations, but by love and the courage to keep moving forward.